This video is an introduction on how you can use the Google Classroom app to find out the work assigned to you and how you can also submit your work to your teacher. Start by opening up the Classroom app. Click on it and you could see several tabs assigned to you should your other teachers be also on this platform. In this example, I will use 2T1 Math as an instance, so I will click on it, enter the classroom, and you will see a summary of all the lessons given to you so far. For instance, right now we only have a Term 2 Week 3 Wednesday lesson. Click on Classwork at the bottom of the screen. Enter this assignment, and you will always see instructions given to you by the teacher on what to do or what to complete. In this case, you are supposed to number 1, complete HBL worksheet, and number 2, submit your work by today to 359. You may refer to the hard copy worksheets that you have, the textbook or the workbook, according to the instructions given by the teacher. In this case, I'm supposed to complete this worksheet, so I can open the file attached by the teacher for reference. Click the file, the 2T HBL WA2 worksheet, and will open up on your computer or your phone. You can refer to the questions and complete them either on the worksheet or your foolscap paper. When you are done with your work and you want to submit them, you can now go to the second app called CamScanner that you should have downloaded to scan all your completed work. Click on CamScanner, and the app, as demonstrated earlier, has a camera function where you can take pictures of your completed work. For example, I have completed this work that's required by the teacher. Use the camera function, take a picture of it, and then you can crop the part that is relevant for you that only shows your answer. This app is very powerful because it saves the document in almost like paper form for the teacher to mark and return to you. Now click on Save at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And should you need to add more pictures because you have multiple pages of work, click on Tap Camera to add new pages on the right hand side. And you can go to the second page of your worksheet and then take another picture. Crop it again. Save it at the bottom right hand corner. And you may repeat this process multiple times to submit your work eventually. When this process of scanning your work is done, click the top part of your file, change the file name to include your name, for example, Mr. Neo, and indicate the assignment that you're handing up, HBL worksheet, Term 2 Week 3 Wednesday. Click OK. This is so that the teacher can mark your work accordingly, and so that when it's returned to you, you know and remember what this work is about. So for the final step of this, at the top part of your screen, click on PDF. You will make your file into a PDF file. Click on Share on the top right hand corner of the screen. And it should prompt you several ways to share this document. In this case, we are submitting the work on Google Classroom. So click on Classroom. You should see that you are in the 2T1 Math group. Attach to assignment, and then which assignment do you want to attach this work to? For example, we are submitting this work for the Term 2 Week 3 Wednesday lesson. Click on it. Wait for a short moment while the file loads. And then you should see when you scroll the tab up that you have attached your answer in PDF form. You have attached your Mr. Neo HBL worksheet. When you are done with this step, the final thing to do will be to click on Hand In. It will prompt you to hand up your work. And you should see on your screen that your work has been submitted. You need to click on Hand In, otherwise your teacher will not receive your work. This is how you receive instructions for your worksheets and complete them, and then take pictures of them to submit them onto your Google Classroom. Thank you.